development scientist at Liquid Expression Systems. My role is mostly in the lab, where I work making proteins and antibodies and vaccines, and I develop these processes that we need to make them. I was interested in science in school. I liked learning all the facts about the world around me, and I thought I wanted to keep learning these facts, so that's why I stuck with science. School, in A-levels, I studied chemistry, biology, maths and art. So I have art to thank for a lot of my success during my scientific career. So taking art as an A-level is actually what helped me get into university in terms of my grades that I needed. But also I learned along the way that to be successful as a scientist you need to be really creative, which is something that you learn a lot when you do art as a subject and you study art. I came to Norwich for my job because it sounded really interesting, and it led on from what I did during university, and it was a kind of natural step to move into something that I really enjoyed doing during my PhD.
I'm Leanne and I am Business Development Manager here at Leaf. I'm really naturally a sociable person. I like talking and interacting with people, so my role here at Leaf, where I manage the relationship between us and the client, is perfect for me because I get to speak to people from all over the world on a regular basis. And because of my background as a scientist, as a plant biochemist, I can understand our customers' needs, and then we can then move forward to produce the best possible service we can for our customers and clients. I went on to do a degree in biochemistry and molecular biology, and after that I did my PhD in plant biochemistry and protein expression, which has set me up perfectly for the role that I'm doing here now at Leaf. When I'm not working, you can find me hanging about in the countryside with my horse, Ruby. It's a pretty time-consuming hobby, so I spend all my time either working or with her.
My name is Baldwin and I am the Laboratory and Quality Manager at Leaf Expression Systems. It means I look after the labs to make sure they're stocked with chemicals, I make sure that the waste is dealt with correctly, I do risk assessments and cost assessments, and I manage a team of technicians, and they're responsible for making sure that all of the daily tasks get taken care of in the labs and in the plant growth area. I've always thought that I would go into a job in science. I did like it, studying it when I was at school, and then I did the same at college and at university. Science is a hugely broad subject, and in my working career I've worked in some microbiology labs, and then I've worked in biotechnology labs, and I've been chemistry technicians, and I've done instrument maintenance and repair. So science is a really broad field, and there are so many jobs in it that you can do. It's not just having a job in science, it's seeing where it takes you. When I'm not working, I take full advantage of the fact that I live in the Norfolk Broads and spend a lot of time out on the river in my kayak. And I also really like reading, and I'm learning to speak French. I have members of my team who have completed degrees and have come to work here after that, and also a member who's done an apprenticeship in laboratory skills. They're both interested in finding a way of continuing their professional development, and the Science Council run a scheme whereby you can become, at the first stage, a registered science technician, and then as you gain skills and experience you can upgrade this to becoming a registered scientist. and then the next step after that is to gain your chartership.
My name is Shauna Gooch and I'm a lab technician at Leanne Special Systems. I would potentially like to maybe progress to more senior roles, so maybe progress to be a research scientist, or even possibly think of doing a PhD to get myself further up the ladder, I guess. So I went to the University of Warwick and I studied biochemistry. When I'm not at work, I usually tend to do a lot of running. I'm a member of Norwich Road Runners, the running club, locally, and also usually do a lot of park runs, to those kind of races, things like that. Otherwise, just spending time with family, friends, and reading probably as well.